breakfast time. Good morning. Oh, hi. Happy, it's Friday morning. Got some free continental breakfast because I'm at the Baymont, not the Con Hotel. It's fine. It'll tide me over until I can have lunch today. 9:07. I have until 11 to get checked out of this room. So yeah, breakfast time, big day today. It's crazy seeing everyone on social media. People are like, oh, I'm flying in, or oh, I'm already at the hotel. Whew, gonna be a good day. But first, breakfast of champions. I've heard the coffee's bad, but what do you do? And let's start getting ready. An update. So I'm wearing my glasses. I won't be wearing them too much, but I was supposed to have bought contact solution whenever I got down here, and I totally forgot yesterday. So I used eye drops to put my contacts in their holder, and I don't know how this is gonna work. But first, everything I'm pretty sure was just frozen that they laid out until it thawed, waffle included. Yeah, it has like no flavor. Hey, it's Flash. Ah! I don't know what the shot looks like, but yeah, so picked up. This is where hopefully the rest of this episode picks up, but the rest of this stuff, we're ready to rock. I've got my tank top on today. We're rocking some Koda. We're gonna have some fun. And yeah, now I have to go lug my luggage around. Koda strength. Not Koda strength. I have friends! Yay! So lucky me, they had a king-size bedroom available. So I got checked in. So all of these guys are currently, because they don't have rooms, they're all... Liz Gang, yo, what up? Liz Gang right here. Obviously, we are hardcore... God, we are something. But now we're gonna go get McDonald's because they have a Mcpizza and I need to try it before I explode. So let's go.
Mick in front of everything. It's
let's
fine.
go make some bad decisions.
Yeah, we're McWalking.
Woo! I McLied. We're going to get our press badges. There it is! You can't see it because of the glare, but it's a Heracross. It's a Heracross. I needed this. I needed this Heracross. Right here. First one I've ever seen. Now I'll just need a Corsola to complete. And I also have to catch it.
Liz is a nerd.
What?
Look at her doing her nerd stuff.
Nerds!
People are just waiting her to finish her nerd stuff.
Biggest McDonald's ever. Also, this entire McCity is under McConstruction.
Yeah, what she said. It's the McMecca.
Not my pizza, but I'll get mine soon.
Hashtag not my pizza.
Oh, hi.
Look at that. It's a pizza from McDonald's.
Every review is going to start with me shotgunning a beer. Be like, all right, bitches, we're talking Power Rangers.
All right, adults. What up, 18 and up viewers?
So, Mcpizza is pretty freaking good. We'll leave it at that. And Chris didn't get anything because he just bought toys.
Where did it go?
The pizza, dude!
Dear Lord. I look over and it's gone.
Shuki hasn't even gotten to a second box of nuggets yet, or maybe he has, but like...
I'm in there.
Okay. Oh, okay, get in there.
I hope that second box of nuggets
Don't.
gave consent.
Nobody gets inside his nugget box. I destroyed it. I need a nap now.
Anyway, hi, I'm holding Liz's camera.
I just want to make sure you're recording.
Oh, I'm recording. Okay. Now everyone freeze like it's a picture. Now all Liz has to do is just screen cap this, and we're good.
And like apparently people love it.
Spoilers. She's really awesome.
Wyndham Fountain.
And Shuki!
That's the OG fountain.
The OG fountain. That's where I'm gonna
Wyndham Fountain #1.
Wow. Carbs. Ah, now we're finally leaving the room. It hasn't actually opened yet, has it?
I think it opened a half an hour ago, but
Wait,
for
I thought
early
it opened
access.
At 3.
It's
Yeah, but
3:30.
Oh, it's 3:30.
Yeah.
Shit.
Liz forgot what time is.
Well, you know, let's go have some fun. Ranger stop. I walked through a door and I found a Sean.
Yo!
It's a Sean.
I didn't get
So yeah, people are again lined up right now. They have hello. So check this out, guys. We are in your Ranger Stop. Giant. This is where all of the selfies have been taken.
It's this one.
Right there.
Not this one.
Not this one. That one's in June.
This one.
We're gonna try to go to that one too.
Yeah.
Happy to be your host here this weekend. So we've got some good time. Hey everybody, it's like we're at a meeting again. Here we go. Someone buy that man a drink.
Simple. It was ready. SPD emergency. And it's cut. All right, we put it. Morph, yeah. I haven't done this.
You give the people what they want.
Yeah, I know.
Give them some space. Give them some space. It's gonna be
Power Rangers are real. Ninja Storm, Ranger 4, cut.
That's great. And you know the princess I didn't morph, so. I'll just give you a little princess.
That's how the princess does.
All right. That's my morph.
How's everybody say?
Yes.
Ready. Total Beast, Spirit Unleashed.
See, that's some real choreography right there, guys. Give it up for them one more time.
So Disney panel was fire. It was amazing.
Orange Ranger approved.
There were just so many great stories, and one of the crazy things is that I don't think I'd ever heard any of those stories before.
No, not really.
For as many panels as I have been to and I have watched, there were just so many, like, because I've never seen panels. I've never been to anything that these people are here.
John Toei was such a dynamic presence on that panel, just
Sunday afternoon, the John Toei experience, and that's gonna be fantastic.
That might have to be a must attend now.
I'm a little blown away. Like, buying a lot of stuff, obviously. Probably gonna buy some more stuff. Probably take a good chunk out of purchasing stuff today, and then maybe just leave like tomorrow morning or whatever for autographs. We had fun actually. I didn't vlog a lot, but we totally had fun watching football last night.
Oh yeah.
And
Not even either of our teams, just a football game that was on TV.
But we drank beer and watched football together, ate chips and Kit Kats.
Yes.
And it was a freaking blast.
It really was. It was.
Oh my gosh.
Great.
We'll be hanging out more. Okay. My arm's getting tired, so I'm gonna cut this and we're gonna go do some more stuff.
Yep.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. I think we're on fire.
A fire has been reported in the building. A fire has been reported in the building. Please proceed to the stairway and exit the building.
That's just, dude, that was really awesome.
Yeah. So
That was so much. Much fun.
She was saying that once they find out the building's safe, they will resume.
Okay.
So.
So they're pretty much already saying it was a false alarm. Somebody just pulled it. Just bull. Here we are all
present at this.
There are villains present. We were having a really great time watching it, and all of a sudden the lights started going off. So here we are, we're outside, we have to kill some time, and now I'm looking like...
Even though I have a job.
And now it's looking like we can actually already go back in. So F you for pulling a fire alarm. We're going back in and dealing with our Power Rangers anyway.
Yeah.
Rah! They gave her nothing to work with, and yet we still love her. So that's why we love her. Yeah. Hey, do you know what else?
What
It's
else?
been recorded.
Whoa! Really?
This is quickly going off the rails.
We had rails?
Sure.
We didn't have rails. We didn't have rails.
I was lied to rails.
Exciente. I am yellow Koda.
It's true.
The Gold Ranger, Blue Ranger.